want to show you a really nice, quick, easy game that doesn't need much in terms of resources. You just need paper, pens and dice. This is suitable for Key Stage 2 children and it's called ladders. So we've been playing a game where you take it in turns to roll the dice and you have to decide what number you're going to make with your dice and where you're going to put it on your ladder. So your ladder goes from the smallest number at the top to the biggest number at the bottom. Okay, so Freya, do you want to have your go?
Okay. So I've rolled a 6, a 4 and a 3. So I'm going to do... I don't think I can do anything.
You can't do anything, can you? Because the smallest number you could make is 346 and you can't fit 346 between 433 and 316. So my go. Okay, so I've rolled a 1, a 2 and a 5. I think I'm going to make my smallest number possible and I'm going to put it right down at the bottom, 125. Right, your go.
So I've rolled a 2, a 1 and a 4. So I'm going to do 124, so right at the bottom.
Okay. So I now need to make sure that I roll a dice number between 125 and 463. Oh, so I've got a 1, a 4 and a 1. I can't make 114 because I've got 125 already, but I can make 141. So I'm going to put that next to it.
I've got a 5, a 4, a 6 and a 3.
So what's the number that you could make?
I can't make anything because it has to be between 316 and 124, and I've got a 3, a 6 and a 5.
Okay, so you miss your go. Let's see if I can do anything. Oh, so I could make 445, which is less than 463 and larger than 141. So I won. Okay, so that's the basic version of the game. You can change it by, you could actually have more dice or less dice, so it could be a 2-digit number that you're rolling or a 4-digit number. You could also swap the dice that you're using, so if you were using 1 to 9 dice, you could also change the number of ladders that you've got, so how many steps you've got on the ladder. Okay, so enjoy, that's called ladders.